Okay guys, I'm gonna make a volcano, but I figure I'll do it a little differently to the standard volcano because I think they're a little boring and don't really show the true power of a volcano. So first step is earbuds because this has come off something I did last night and I feel like it almost perforated my eardrum. So first step, move the table onto the grass. That way Mum can't get quite as angry later on. You have our volcano. Yay. Set it up. That was a lot quicker than I thought it was going to be. Oh yes, there we go. I hope I actually got that, otherwise it would be very disappointing. Alright, I'll see you on Saturday.